In recent times, one of my happiest days was the 6th of May, 2025, when we held the NRM Village Assemblies Barazas.
My Rwakitula village. Why? A leader should not take sides in the structures below him or her. He or she should let the people elect the ones they prefer. Whether you like them or not, you let the people elect. Because you are not the one electing. It is them. He or she should let the people elect the ones they prefer and work with them as long as they are NRM. Nzifaayo ngo musindikidde bwe ntunula ekyentunulako ky'ekyambalo ky'ayambadde. When you send me a person, I look at the way he or she is dressed. If she has got a bad dress, then I'm not happy. You remember the other dresses. Subsequently, however, I started hearing stories that some of our leaders were taking sides in the erection of the structures above the village. We are studying this information, and I will give my guidance in the coming weeks. The NRM members should stay calm. Whatever mistakes that happened here in Uganda. They did not happen in Iceland, they did not happen far away, they are here. We shall unearth them. They did not happen in any other country where we have no authority. Get the facts and give them to the NRM administrative secretaries at the district or the NRM secretariat in Kampala in writing with the illustrations of the information.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.